Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to show you how I pretty much straighten this bomb Nadula hair. So this wig is a body wave wig. I got it in 24 inches and 150% density. I kid you not, this is probably the thickest 150% density wig that I've ever gotten. Like, usually I choose 180 because it's thick, but I definitely, oh god, this is definitely the wig for the winter. It's 150 density, and I don't know what changed, I don't know what happened, but I really feel like they up in their game because this wig is thick. So imagine what a 180 density would look like if you had gotten that. But this wig is 150 density. It is also 24 inches on me. This wig is giving me 26-inch vibes. I'm 5'3", and this is how long 26 inches is usually on me. So it's definitely a stretch, but it feels like 26 inches even though it's 24. So let me find out they're giving extra inches. And also it's Brazilian hair, and y'all know the difference. If you don't know, Brazilian hair is usually shinier, silkier. It presses beautifully, and it gave just that and more. Like, do you guys see how silky this hair is? And funny enough, I used zero product in this hair. So I definitely implore everybody to shop Nadula hair. They're one of my favorite companies. I've been rocking with them for a super long time, and I definitely feel like y'all will love this wig. So shipping was really quick. Like, I thought the wig was gonna come on Monday, but it ended up coming on either Saturday or Sunday, and they shipped it out like around Wednesday, Thursday-ish. So it got here pretty fast. So I love that. Their support team, to work with them is easy. To get in contact with them is easy. They don't leave you hanging until the next day. They're usually on time with their support. As it relates to questions being answered and so on and so forth. So I feel like purchasing Nadula's hair should be a breeze, and getting in contact with them. They post you when you tag their company to ensure that you get exposure, as well as when you like give them exposure. So I honestly feel like working with Nadula is a win-win situation. They always provide really nice hair, really nice wigs, and I did show you guys how I pluck my wigs to not over pluck them, and how I bleach my wigs in depth in a previous video. So if you'd like to see the video before this, check it out because it's super duper duper detailed. So thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video, and just stay tuned. I'm gonna do my makeup and then show you guys how I got this hair bone straight with no product. And pretty much all you have to do in the back is adjust the strap to your liking, and it'll become glueless, like off the rip. You don't need no glue, no adhesive, nothing. Like, this is just me putting the wig on, and it just looks like this. So thank you so much for watching, and just keep on watching. Stay tuned. Hey loves, so I pretty much did my eyebrows and foundation and concealer off camera, so let's just get into pretty much baking and all of that. So this is a mini get ready with me, as you can see from the title, featuring Nadula hair. So this video is sponsored by Nadula. I should be using this side. So yeah, all I do for my under eyes is pretty much brighten it up with some Sasha Buttercup baking powder, and I don't really like to use a whole lot. I just use enough to make sure my face is nice and set and chiseled, especially because the foundation that I used is actually a dewy foundation, and dewy foundations and my face always end up into an oily mess. So in order to fix that, like it never happened, I go in and I use quite a bit of this, not too much where it's like crazy, but it's gonna look crazy right now because I'm saying I'm not using too much and I'm using like a lot. But what I like to do is pretty much just blend it in like any other foundation, concealer, highlighter, and that's pretty much how I stop my face from being oily throughout the day. This is a lifesaver. This is such a staple product in my foundation routine. Baking, have to bake, need it. I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu spray it all over my face. Once it's sprayed, I spray it on this as well. Squeeze it so you know the product is actually getting in and onto this. And the side that I used the beauty blender with my foundation, I'm gonna go in with the excess foundation left in the beauty blender to blend all this powder out and to just pat in all the liquid on my face and ensure that it's actually getting into my skin, you know, to bring back some sort of moisture. Now I'm gonna go in with my powder contour. I use the MAC Studio Fix powder in NW55. This is like the third darkest shade or fourth darkest shade that MAC has in this, I think. So I'm gonna use this, go like so. Freshen up back my contour and make sure that I have some down by my jawline, because I do have a double chin, and how about we just cancel it out? How about that? So yeah, that's pretty much all that I do for like highlight and contour, and I'll just go back in with the Mario Badescu spray. And yeah, that's pretty much how I complete my face, finish my face. I'll put on some lip gloss and some lashes. So I'll be back after I get my lashes and lip gloss on. Hey loves, so this is the hair in its natural wavy state. I love it like this. When I tell you I'm so in love with like body waves natural texture, I'm so in love, like so in love. And I did a plucking and bleaching tutorial, so I went super in depth. So if you'd like to see that long awaited video, definitely check the video before this. So because I showed y'all how I get my part, my plucking, my everything, I'm simply just going to straighten this hair because I do not have enough time. I'm heading out to dinner super duper soon, but this is a piece that I curled and I would rather just straighten it now, and in pictures you'll see what it looks like when it's curled. Because I'm so pressed for time, I'm definitely gonna come home and wash my hair and show you guys how it curls. But I'm pretty sure this hair straightens like a G. Like, already I'm in love with how straight this hair gets. So because I've been wearing Nadula hair for a long time now, I definitely can tell you I love to do this where I get like their body wave hair and straighten it, because not only does it get like bone straight, it just gives off natural relaxed hair vibes. It doesn't give me like straight to the bone hair. It just gives me like a kinky straight vibe. When I look at it, when I run my hands through it, that's just how it feels to me. And I know for sure, I can tell you off the rip, that Nadula's curls last a long time. Once you curl that hair with a good iron on some high heat with a nice what's it called, hairspray, oh god, and you pin that hair up for at least 20 minutes, ooh, your curls are about to last the whole night. Like, you could be raving, your curls are about to last the whole night. I kid you not. Nadula has magical hair. Like, wow. I'm so in love with this hair, and this is 150 density. Do y'all see how bone straight this gets? Like, one pass of the flat iron and the hair gets super bone straight. So I just love that. And because I'm pressed for time, this is perfect. This is the perfect hair to wear. And oh yeah, I actually did not add a band in the back of my wig or in the front to make it glueless. This wig is glueless. It came glueless. Like, I will show y'all the insides, and girl, it's 100% glueless. You do not need a band. All you need to do is adjust the straps in the back, and it's as glueless as can be. Like, when I tell you, this is so good for the winter time, especially when you want to get into your scalp after wearing a wig. Putting your oils on your scalp, this wig works so perfect. Like, it's almost as though it's a staple unit. You'll wear it with certain outfits, you'll be able to curl it, it's versatile, and that's just all that Nadula here offers, like versatility, and it is a staple wig, as I said before. It straightens super straight. It gets so straight, and when it gets straight, it gets silky, it's soft, but it also gives off that effect as though it's like some nice natural relaxed hair. Wait, not natural, it's like some nice, yeah, pretty much natural, like from the scalp, relaxed hair that you just got bone straight. Love it. And I've been talking for like 5 minutes now about this hair. I just love Nadula hair, so don't mind me, y'all. And yeah, that's pretty much one side straightened and one side in its natural state. And this 24 inches is long on me. I feel like this is giving off 26-inch vibes. Like, oh my god. Y'all, if you have never purchased a Nadula hair unit in your life, what are you doing? Because Nadula offers so much variety when it comes to their hair, and I just love it. So I definitely would recommend this wig. Oh god, they just never fail to amaze me. Do y'all see how nice and silky this hair got in under 10 minutes? Now let me just do the other side. And then I have to straighten the top. Okay, y'all, so that pretty much concludes all that I've done to my hair in order to get it bone straight, and that was under 10 minutes. So, oh my god. Again, I can't stress this enough. Nadula has pretty amazing hair. And this is a 150 density wig. I said that like twice before now, and I'm saying it again. This is 150 density of 26 inches. This is what 150 density should look like. So if your 150 density don't look like this, you definitely should be shopping Nadula, because they are tricking you and they are stealing your coins, and that's on period. If you don't shop Nadula in your 150 density, if you don't shop Nadula, then your 150 density more than likely is not gonna look this full. So I just love Nadula hair. Oh my god. So definitely shop Nadula hair. I'm going to change over into my outfit in order for me to go out. So let's see the fit. Okay, so this is the final piece, and this is the dress that I'll be wearing out. So yeah, that's just the look that we're going for. I didn't want to do curls with this. I definitely wanted to do straight, and I'm so happy that I did. So definitely shop this gorgeous body wave hair. It straightens so beautifully, and you can see it gets bone straight, and it's just super gorgeous, everything. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Do not forget to purchase Nadula's hair. The links will be in the description box. I will have the link to this wig. I will have the links to all other wigs that Nadula has to offer, as well as their website link. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye girls.